subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we are doing important question answer series for UGC NET exam, and this is video number 2. So in case you haven't watched the previous video, please go to the link in description box and do check it out. So the rules for the video is same like in the last video I asked you to read the question, then pause your video, analyze the options, give your answer and then resume the video and check it out how many answers did you give correct. So this was the last question जो हमने last video में आप लोगों के लिए रखा था to answer it, to comment your answers, and I am really glad to see all the responses. Special congratulations to Tanvi, Payal and Deepthi for their correct answers. So let's read it out. Assertion is learning by doing is the most effective method of teaching. So जो हम काम करके सीखते हैं that is the most effective absolutely, because जितनी ज़्यादा senses involve होती हैं हम लोग उतना ही अच्छे से याद कर पाते हैं. एंड इसका रीज़न क्या दिया है, we tend to remember 90% of what we do than what we hear or see. So it means the same, क्योंकि सिर्फ जब हम देखते हैं या सुनते हैं उसमें हार्डली हम एक सेंस का यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ विजन और हियरिंग पावर. बट when we are doing something we involve almost all the senses, हमारा mental focus वगैरह सब improved होता है. It is better than any other method. So yes, both A and R are correct. It's answer number B. Now the questions for today's video are: first, assertion, that is blanching stops enzymes action, and the reason given is it helps in cleansing of surface, brightens the color and helps retard the loss of vitamins. And your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. I hope you all have paused the video and answered your solution. So the answer to this question is both A and R are true. See, blanching हम सबको पता है एक प्रोसेस है जो हम जिसमें पहले उसको गैस के ऊपर रोस्ट करके वी इमीडिएटली पुट इट इन कोल्ड वाटर, जो स्पेशली हम टोमेटोज वगैरह के साथ करते हैं, वो हम करते हैं टू स्टॉप द एंजाइम्स एक्शन. एंड दिस हेल्प्स इन क्लीनिंग द सर्फेस. जो उसका सर्फेस होता है वो पूरा क्लीन हो जाता है. इट ब्राइटन्स द कलर एंड it helps in retarding the loss of vitamins. Now question number 2, identify the correct stages of a fashion cycle from the following given options. So ये सारे options दिए हैं, जो भी correct sequence है you have to tell the answer. Pause your video and your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. So in this particular thing, your answer now is number D, which is innovation. The idea is innovated. जो भी fashion है, जो भी चीज़ है, एक innovation आती है, something new is there. Then rise, then acceleration, जब वो speed से बढ़ता है. Then general acceptance, when everyone accepts the fashion. Then it starts declining, and last is obsolescence. So this is the correct sequence, and I have also made a video on this particular topic. So in case you want further clarification, you can please check it out, that video. I'll put the link in the description box. Next question is: decision making is a process involving following steps in sequence. Evaluate the alternatives, identify the problems, evaluate the decision, identify the alternatives, select the best alternative. So your time starts up. Okay, your time is up. See, सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी है हम प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. सो दिस बिकम्स नंबर 1. आफ्टर द प्रॉब्लम इज आइडेंटिफाइड, वी ट्राई आइडेंटिफाइंग द ऑल्टरनेटिव्स, जो उसके पॉसिबल सोल्यूशन हो सकते हैं. देन आफ्टर वी आइडेंटिफाई देम, हम उनको सबको इवेल्यूएट करते हैं. दैट मीन्स उनके प्रॉज क्या है, कॉन्स क्या है, कौन सा किस सिचुएशन में क्या रिजल्ट करेगा, वो इवेल्यूएशन होता है. आफ्टर दैट वी सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव. जो हमने इवेल्यूएशन में बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव लगता है हम उसको सिलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड लास्ट इज इवेल्यूएशन ऑफ डिसीजन, कि जो हमने सिलेक्ट किया था, जो हमने डिसीजन लिया था, क्या वो सही है. सो द सीक्वेंस बिकम्स 2, 4, 1, 24153, 24153, which is option number C. Okay, the next question is arrange the sequence in programs given follow by the order of their year of implementation. Okay, your time's in. See, first one is IRDP, which stands for Integrated Rural Development Program, which was implemented in 1980. Okay. Then next comes TRYSEM, TRYSEM, which is known as Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment, which was implemented in 1979. Then third comes SGSY, which means Swarn Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, which was implemented in the year 1999. And last is DWCRA, which stands for Development of Women and Children in Rural Areas, which was implemented in 1982. So we have to arrange them in the order of the year of implementation. So the first one is 2, then comes 1, then comes 4, and then comes 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. So that's option number B, that is 2, 1, 4, 3. The next question is, an inhibitor found in pulse is, your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. I hope you all must have answered by now. See, inhibitor is something that slows down the reaction. Okay, so the inhibitor found in pulse is trypsin. Next question is, an enzyme activated during sprouting is, so sprouting हमारे को पता है न्यूट्रिशन एनहांसमेंट का एक प्रोसेस है. सो उसके लिए जो एंजाइम एक्टिवेट होता है ड्यूरिंग स्प्राउटिंग इज, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. Okay, the correct answer is amylase. Amylase is something that is activated during sprouting. Okay, next question is, one of the following is known as bad cholesterol. Okay, so your time starts now. Your time is up. See, the answer to this question is LDL, which is also known as low density lipoprotein, which is a bad cholesterol. HDL is known as high density lipoprotein, which is a good cholesterol. So you should know this also. If LDL is a bad cholesterol, HDL is known as good cholesterol. So next question is, a person is said to have normal blood pressure when diastolic and systolic pressure is. So you have 4 options given in front of you. Just let me know the answer. So okay, your time is up now. See, we have is option number D, 120/80. So this is the last question, and this is a kind of a quiz question for you. You have to comment its answer in the comment box. The question is, milling, polishing and refining cereals mainly destroy which of the following nutrient? Options are vitamin A, vitamin B, iron and vitamin E. So guys, check it out, study about it, comment your answers and comment your score too. So study well, exam is approaching, take care, and I hope you like the video.